There are few mistakes and causes responsible for the brown spots on philodendron leaves. Let's see the reasons behind this problem to make you understand better about the brown spots so you can fix or correct that. So if you're misting your plant too much, you need to stop that first. Over misting can cause water burn, where too much moisture damages the plant's leaves or roots. Water burning appears as brown spots surrounded by yellow rings on the leaves. Instead of spraying water, put a tray of water near the plant, use a humidifier, or group your plants together to make the air around the plant more humid without risking water burning. And it could also be a leaf spot disease. When a plant gets leaf spot disease, it means a fungus or bacteria is attacking it, causing brown spots edged in yellow where it feeds on the leaves. These spots can vary in shape, color, and size. To manage leaf spot disease and similar fungal or bacterial issues, ensure good airflow around the plant. Use well-draining soil, keep leaves dry, and avoid overwatering. If you suspect leaf spot, avoid misting the plant. You can treat the problem with a fungicide. Fungicides for plants are available online. Similarly, using too much fertilizer can be harmful rather than helpful for the plant. You should fertilize your philodendron during its active growing season, which typically spans from spring through summer. During the fall and winter months, reduce or stop fertilizing your philodendron. Growth naturally slows down during this time, and the plant requires less nutrients. Early signs of fertilizer burn typically appear as yellow or brown leaves. You can water the soil thoroughly to rinse out any excess salts and restore the plant's nutrient balance, or you can repot it in fresh soil. There might be rust spots. These spots start as small reddish-brown dots on the leaves and can gradually increase in size. You can identify rust spots by looking for clusters of these dots on both sides of the leaves. Use a copper-based fungicide to deal with rust spots. Make sure you're not overwatering or the soil in the pot is draining well or not, or pooling into the saucer. Plants don't like to sit in water for long. Here's a simple yet effective tip to help your houseplants grow better. Put some stones or marbles in the saucer under the plant pot. This way any extra water will collect in the saucer while the stones lift the pot and roots above the water level. As the water evaporates, it creates more humidity around the plant, which is good for its growth. Ensure you're not over or under watering your philodendron. For most of the philodendron varieties, you should wait at least 25 to 30% of the topsoil to dry out in the growing seasons. And in winters, let them dry out more, like 50 to 60% before watering again. If the brown spots are limited to a few leaves, trim them off using clean scissors or pruning shears. This can prevent the spread of any infection or damage. Too much direct sunlight can burn the leaves, causing brown spots. Put your philodendrons in bright indirect light. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.